Building efficient, interactive training for your team is usually expensive, time-consuming, and requires technical expertise. SimTutor addresses this with its intuitive, comprehensive e-learning solutions, renowned in the education and healthcare industries. We are excited to announce that SimTutor is now fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. This integration empowers Teams users to build and share interactive training, including simulations with their colleagues and customers throughout the world. When you are in Teams, click on the App Store and search for SimTutor. Select it, and our single sign-on process makes it easy to access the platform and begin creating. Once you have added SimTutor, you can choose which team you'd like to collaborate with. When you first enter SimTutor, you will see a menu from which you can either create a new simulation, or once you've built at least one simulation, you can select one to edit or assign out to learners. If you don't have any modules built yet, don't worry. Our guided tour makes it quick and easy to build them using your own content. We also offer content development services ranging from simple authoring to complex video, animation, and simulation production if needed. You or your team can edit simulations using SimTutor's powerful authoring features. Import images and videos from your computer or upload a PowerPoint file directly. Then, use the planning view and editor to turn each item into an interactive step type, such as a multiple choice question or a hotspot. When a simulation is finalized, sharing it with your learners is easy. Simply create a new tab within Teams, select Play as the launch mode, and add your learners to the tab. The real power of the Teams integration is collaboration. The chat and video calling features allow learners to communicate with the trainer and with one another, facilitating a collective learning experience. Want to take advantage of SimTutor's 30-day free trial? Visit simtutor.com/teams today.